Hi, this is Lou Mater, and welcome to our Mater Kitchen. The dish that we're going to cook for today is, we call it ginataang kalabasa in Tagalog, and in English, we call it squash with coconut milk. It's really hard to find a squash that has a good texture. This one, I bought it from Cardina, like a Mexican store. I just want to explain to you that I'm a vegetarian and I don't use meat. Mostly, I use the Morning Star. You can buy it from a Winco, like about $3 only. This is one bag. I used two of the medium size of squash. So it's worth $3 each. So that's like $6 for the whole thing. I use ginger, small ginger. This is garlic, and this is onion, and I use small pepper, ground pepper. I use this, just whatever I have in my kitchen. And I use the coconut milk and a brown sugar. And then also oil. We need also oil, so we have to turn this way, be able to start my cooking now. Okay, first we're gonna put the oil in it. Just estimate. This is the Morning Star Chorizo Crumbles. One bag of this. This one it's not really spicy. A little bit, like for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring it so that it won't get burned. Okay. And here, one more. We will put our squash. We have to wait till the kalabasa or the squash already soften. Put some of a little bit of pepper. A little bit of our garlic salt. Now it's boiling, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more of salt. Now it's almost done. I have to add a little bit of sugar to make it blend with the salt. We'll simmer it for a little bit, about 2 minutes, and that's good. So I'm gonna off now, and then we will serve it. time to serve. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will subscribe, like, share it. Thank you.